Assalamu alaikum, friends and family. Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. It's me here again, Fatima. I'm sorry for my voice. I'm having a cold, so I decided to make this dish. The dish is Caldu. Caldu is a dish from Senegal, a place called Casamas. So I'll be making some Caldu today. I have my tilapia fish. I'm gonna be using a little bit of okra. I have my 2 jumbo cube here. I'm gonna be using extra virgin olive oil. I have lime, and then I have my mixed all-purpose seasoning. I have my black pepper, and then I'll be using I have some onion here, some garlic, but some people don't use garlic in it, but I love using my garlic. I have some fresh tomato, some scorpion pepper. I have some of my dry fish and yet. So we call it geja and yet. So it's dry fish and some dry snail, I believe. I stand to be corrected. So yeah, basically that's all we'll be doing, and then I'll be cutting my fish into 3 pieces, and then I'll be blending my pepper and onions in my food processor. So I'll show you guys how as we move on. So in my cooking pot, I'm going to be putting my extra virgin olive oil. In my pot, I have measured 2 spoons of extra virgin olive oil in my pot. That's my tomato, garlic and onion. I decided not to blend my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not going to blend it, but this dish it needs to be very spicy, but I'm not going to make it spicy because of anytime I'm eating, my little baby want to eat with me, so I'm encouraging my daughter to eat what I eat. So because of my daughter, so I'm not going to be putting chili in my dish. I'll just drop it in, so anytime I feel like eating it, I'll squash it myself. So yeah, basically that's all. I'm going to blend it. That's my blended stuff. I already blend them. Everything has been blended. So now I'll be adding my dry fish and my dry snail. My dry fish and my they have been nicely been brown now. That's my yet and my geja. So I'll be adding my blended. Everything is nicely getting fried. My onion has been nicely fried now. See that? So I'm going to be adding a little bit amount of water, like 1 cup of water. So that's water from the blender that I arranged. I'm not going to be adding a lot of water because I'll be adding some of my lime juice. I always put my Maggi cube next to my fire because sometimes the Maggi cube is a bit hard. So because sometimes the Maggi cube they can be a bit hard me. So I always put it next to my fire. That way it will be a bit soft. At this point, I'm going to be adding my fish in there. That's my freshly squeezed lime juice. I mean, it does not have to be like how many lime. You can use many lime as you want, lime and lemon. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose spice. 1 spoon of black pepper as well. At this point, I'm going to be dropping my okra and my pepper. My Maggi cube. Second one. At this point, I'm going to reduce my fire. I'm going to be using an amount of half spoon of salt. I fried the onion like for 10 minutes before I added the water. That's my sauce is now ready. If you see the oil, know that it's ready. Hello everyone, my food now is ready. Thank you so much everyone. If you come across this video, please don't forget to share it, thumbs up, like, comment. If you want to know how I make this green one next to the food, the pizza, I'll leave the link so you can check it. In case if you didn't see the way I make it, I'll leave the link so that you can check it. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed. Welcome to my family.